Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Nordea verification code not received. First, check your mobile's network signal and make sure that it is strong. Weak signal can delay or block SMS codes. Next, make sure you've entered the correct phone number or email address linked to your account. Restart your phone and request the code again. You can also turn airplane mode on, wait for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then turn it off. This will refresh your network. If the code was sent by email, open the Gmail app. Click on the three-line option in the top left corner and try checking your spam and trash folder for the code. Wait a few minutes before requesting another code, as too many requests can delay the delivery. If codes still do not arrive, contact Nordea support for help. That's how you fix the Nordea verification not received. Subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.